Welcome to my channel and thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'll be demonstrating the easy way to identify effectiveness of treatment in a pet sample. My name is Titocan and this is Titocan Solutions, a YouTube channel for improving the knowledge of how to do things. The function of a pet sample t-test is to determine if the effectiveness in your treatment is significant by measuring whether there is significant difference in your construct between before treatment and after the treatment. That means for per sample t-test, there must be measurement of the construct before a treatment is administered, and there must also be measurement of the same construct after the treatment has been administered, usually after some desired period of time. However, the indicator of effectiveness differs among professions or the type of construct. If you are a fish farmer who cultures catfish by administering high protein content feeds, your expectations will be to see your catfish get bigger in weight after a period of time. If you are a health practitioner, such as a medical doctor, and you have patients you are treating for diabetes, for example, your expectations will be to see the blood sugar of the patients reduces after a period of time. So when the catfish increases in weight after a period of time, or the blood sugar of the patient reduces after a period of time, then you can say by a simple rule of thumb that your treatment was effective. As you can see, the fish farmer wants an increment in weight, while the medical doctor wants a reduction in blood sugar. But in reality, the indicator of the effectiveness in the two constructs is different, and my job in this video is to help you identify the indicators. This is the objective of this video. Please kindly endeavor to see this video to the end because there are more to learn. Now, let's go into the demonstrations together using this fictitious data. You can actually use Excel or any other software, but for this demonstration, I am using SPSS. As you can see, this data has already been loaded into SPSS and contains the record information of two different constructs: the farmer's records of the weight of catfish before and 3 months after treatment, and the medical doctor's records of the diabetic patient's blood sugar before and 1 month after treatment. For sake of curiosity, I would like you to know that this dataset is fictitiously generated to suit the demonstrations in this video in order to impart the expected knowledge. Now, let's determine whether the treatment was effective for catfish after a period of 3 months or for blood sugar after a period of 1 month. To do this, go to the menu bar and click on Transform. From the sub-menu, click on Compute Variable to open the Compute Variable dialog box, as you can see. For catfish, let's choose the target variable name to be EWT, meaning Effective Weight Treatment. Then, from the box on the left, move the weight before treatment to the numeric expression box on the right. Then, click on the minus sign and thereafter move the weight after treatment to the numeric expression box to stay after the minus sign. This means we are now subtracting the catfish weight after treatment from the catfish weight before treatment. Now, click OK for the SPSS system to process the equation and produce the output in the data view window as a new variable in your dataset. Now, let's repeat this process for the diabetic patient's record. Go to the menu bar and click on Transform. From the sub-menu, click on Compute Variable to open the Compute Variable dialog box. Now, click on Reset to cancel the computation that was done before on this dialog box. Let's choose a target variable name to be EBST, meaning Effective Blood Sugar Treatment. Then, from the box on the left, move the blood sugar before treatment to the numeric expression box on the right. Click on the minus sign and then move the blood sugar after treatment to the numeric expression box to stay just after the minus sign. This means we are now subtracting the blood sugar of the patients after treatment from the blood sugar of the patients before treatment. Now, click OK for the SPSS system to process the equation and produce the output in the data view window as a new variable in your dataset. Now, let's go to the data view window. As you can see in this data view window, we have the output for EWT, which is effective weight treatment, and the EBST, which is the effective blood sugar treatment. The simple arithmetic difference between the measurement before and the measurement after give results consisting of positive and negative indices, indicating whether there is effectiveness of the treatment or ineffectiveness of the treatment. As you can see, all the effective weights of catfish carry negative indices as prefix, except by ID number 14, 21, and 28, where the effective weight of catfish are positive. This means that the weights of catfish after the treatment are bigger where there are minus signs and smaller where there are positive signs. So the negative indices are therefore the indicator of effectiveness of treatment for this kind of construct. However, the weights with positive values indicate ineffective treatment for this kind of construct. That means after the treatment, the catfish ID number 14, 21, and 28 did not improve during the period of treatment. On the other hand, the output of the effective blood sugar treatment are all positive except by ID number 2, 15, 22, 23, and 26, where the effective blood sugar of the patients are negative. This means that the blood sugar of the patients after the treatment are smaller where there are positive signs and bigger where there are minus signs. So the indicator for this kind of construct are the positive indices. However, the effective blood sugar with negative values indicate patients where the treatment offered were ineffective. As you can see by a simple rule of thumb, the catfish farmer wants the difference to be negative, while the doctor wants the difference to be positive. This is the easy way to identify effectiveness of treatment in a paired sample, depending on a chosen construct. But the question that a statistician may ask is, if you remove the negative and positive indices from the effective measurement after the treatment, can you confidently say there is statistically significant difference between the weight before and the weight after, or between the blood sugar before and the blood sugar after? The answer is no. You can't confidently say. This is where paired sample t-test analysis comes into play. These test statistics will help to determine if the effectiveness in your treatment is statistically significant or not by measuring whether there is significant difference in your construct between before treatment and after the treatment. To learn more, kindly see my video on paired sample t-test in SPSS. The link to the video is given in the description section of this video and also quoted at the end of this video. I hope this video was useful in demonstrating how to identify the effectiveness of treatment in a paired sample, and I hope you will be able to replicate the procedure for your construct to identify effectiveness in your treatment by looking for the indicators. But right now, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video and you want to see more video content like this, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive notification every time I publish new and useful content. Subscription is free. Thanks for your time and subscription, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye.